The next revolution isn't on the road or in the sky, it's happening beneath the ocean surface. According to a report by GMI, the global autonomous marine vehicle market was valued at $3.5 billion in 2025 and is estimated to grow at 11.6% CAGR from 2026 to 2035. The market is expected to cross $10.8 billion valuation by 2035, says this GMI report. Increasing naval modernization and maritime security investments, expansion of offshore energy infrastructure, advancements in AI, sensor fusion, and autonomous navigation are some of the major industry growth drivers. Based on product type, the underwater vehicles segment held 68.6% of the market share in 2025. Based on type, the autonomous segment dominates the market, accounting for around 74% share in 2025. Regionally, US dominated the autonomous marine vehicle market in North America with around 83.6% share and generated $1,127.3 million United States dollars in revenue in 2025. Key players in the autonomous marine vehicle market include the following. Thank you for watching. Access the report by clicking on the link provided in the description. Don't miss out on valuable insights.